Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. Today, we're going to learn how to use Quick Measure function in Power BI, using DAX function, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we learned how to use the rank function in Power BI. If you have not watched that video, then click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry. We have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. Measures are an essential feature of Power BI that allow you to analyze and visualize data with ease. In this video, we show how to use measures in Power BI DAX to create meaningful insights from your data. Measures could be called virtual calculations. They don't become part of your data set. They only calculate when you add them to a report visualization. So if file size is an issue, you may want to use measures instead of calculated columns or calculated tables. There are two variations of measures. One is quick measures, which are templates of sorts, and others are measures which we build from scratch. We're going to get started using quick measures. We will create a quick measure in the orders table that will give us the average sales based on the customer segment. So you'll notice, in the orders table we have the sales field. To create the quick measure in the field pane, we're going to right-click on the orders table and we're going to select a new quick measure. The dialog box will open for quick measures. On the left side of the data you have calculation and a drop-down to it. On the left side, we're going to go ahead for the drop-down. They have different headings here: aggregate per category, filters, time, intelligence, and so on. The one that we are looking for is one under the total section, and we will select total for category filters not applied. That's the calculation we want to use for the base value. We're going to expand the orders table on the right side, and we're going to just drag the sales into the base value text box, and it says sum of sales, but we want the average of sales. So we will right-click on the sum of sale values to get the option, and instead of the sum of sales, which is the default, we're going to click on average. And for the category in the fields list, we're going to grab the customer segment field and drag it into the category box. So a quick measure allows you to make choices in this dialog, and it will create the calculation for you in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click Add from the down option. It won't become part of your data set. So when you do a calculated column, it puts it at the end on the right of your data set. This is a virtual calculation, but if you look up at your formula bar, you'll see based on the selections in the Quick Measures dialog box. It built a nested calculation for us. It used a calculated function with a nested average and a nested all function. You'll see your measure in the field pane and notice the icon in front of it that represents that it is a measure. Finally, you've created your measure. You can share it with others by publishing your report to the Power BI service. This will allow others to access your measure and use it in their own reports. Measures are a powerful feature in Power BI DAX that allow you to perform complex calculations and analysis on your data. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you'll be able to create, test, refine, and share measures in Power BI with confidence. That's for this video. In the next video, we will see how to create new measure function in Power BI from scratch, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Power BI tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.